Part 1. What is graphic design? Graphic design is the art of creating visual communications or content in order to transmit specific messages to social groups or a target market with specific objectives. Now, take note that from this definition, we get 4 key points which we will explain briefly. These key points expose to an extent the qualities of a good graphic design work. From the definition, the first key point is visual communication. And what is visual communication? This is the use of visual elements to convey ideas and information. These visual elements can be in the form of pictures, drawings, diagrams, charts, infographics, video, animation, line, typography, color, etc. The next key point is specific message. Specific message. This is the particular information you are trying to pass to your target market. The message could be about a person, a product, a program, a service, a place, etc. Moving on from specific message, we go to the next key point, which is target market. Target market. Now, your target market is a particular group of consumers at which the specific message, be it a product or service of your graphic design, is aimed at. They could be male, female, children, Africans, Europeans. They can even be more specific. In fact, the more specific your target market is, the better. It can be more specific, like football lovers, maybe Manchester United lovers, food lovers, snack lovers, etc. The final key point in the definition is specific objective. This is what you seek to achieve with the specific message of your graphic work. For example, the specific objective of your graphic design can be to get readers to buy a product, to get readers to attend a program, to get readers to watch a show, to get readers to change an attitude, etc. Now, these points leads us to the purpose of graphic design. What exactly is the purpose of graphic design? This is a very important point because it helps you to be intentional in your design. Now, the purpose of graphic design is customized to the specific objective of the graphic work to be created. But generally speaking, the purpose is to create a design content that is visually appealing enough for the specific user group to take an intended action after viewing it. So this gives you an idea of what the purpose of graphic design really is. Having mentioned this, we now go ahead and look at recommended software for graphic design. There are numerous graphic design softwares, but for a start, I will mention like the best 5 which are used widely. One of them is Adobe Photoshop, another one is CorelDRAW, another one is Adobe Illustrator, another one is Inkscape, another one is Adobe InDesign. So these are 5 very popularly used application softwares for graphic design. And this brings us to the end of part 1 of the tutorial. Next up, we'll be looking at the types of graphic design. Stay tuned, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. God bless you.